Accidental ad clicks might seem small, but they can destroy your ad revenue and even get your site banned by Google. Publishers around the world face this problem every day. Visitors bounce too quickly after clicking ads by mistake, and advertisers lose trust. That means lower earnings, or worse, disabled accounts. But here's the good news. MonetizeMore's traffic cop just got an upgrade. It now reports bounce and accidental clicks in real time. That means publishers can finally prove they're keeping traffic clean and ad clicks genuine. This upgrade also gives deeper insights into risky traffic patterns, so publishers can act before problems escalate. Many even reported their suspended AdSense accounts being restored after using Traffic Cop and have seen a 30% improvement in their overall ad earnings. With this upgrade, MonetizeMore's publishers are protecting their sites, keeping advertisers happy, and even growing their ad revenue. In fact, many have already seen success: safer monetization, stronger trust, and higher payouts. So if you're worried about bounce clicks ruining your site, check out Traffic Cop. Stay safe, stay profitable.